you gon' watch us, man. Go Mama Jones, go Papa Jones, and we ain't watching nothing else, cause this who channel we on.
What up, Mama Jones squad? Welcome to the shenanigans, you guys, and happy holidays. We are about to do the last grocery haul of 2025, y'all. So yeah, your girl's finna do a grocery haul so we can get back in that kitchen and get it right. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Alright, gang, first stop is Thrifty. I'm finna see, do they have my turkey wings or do they have any sales on any meat? So it look like they got my turkey wings. Stay tuned. And they do, but look at the price on them. Oh my goodness. $10, dang. A pack. Stay tuned, y'all. Okay, so I got 3 packs of those. They have these turkey. They so small though. They probably tired of turkey. I like the stuff the turkey is. Oh, these they reduced. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get that. Let's check these neck bones out. 6 fresh pork neck bones. Ain't nothing on them neck bones there. I think I'm gonna check my other store. We gotta get these pigtails though. Some pigtails. Let's see what else they got in here with a little seal. Chicken thighs. $12. Okay, we finna get out here. Y'all see that? The wings. Oh no, we gotta go. Ain't no, look at that. $3.33 a pack. What is that? Sirloin pork chops. Oh wow, you can't beat a $3 sale. I'm gonna have to get some of these. So which I don't really like this side of the pork chop, but for $3 and something a pack, we're gonna get them. I'm gonna get 2 packs of those. Oh, here's some pork chops for what? $8.50. I don't like that $7. These my pork chops. Oh no, them ain't the ones I like either. Alright, look like we finna go check out, y'all. They got all these reduced prices. $3.92 reduced. The thick pork chops reduced. That's some stuffing pork chops right there. Family bag. Alright, gang. Let's see. Stay tuned. Alright, gang. So I got some of the pork chops and the turkey wings and the pigtails. So, yeah. I don't know if I want to get it though. Let's see. I don't smell nothing through the packs. So yeah, we finna check out. Stay tuned. Alright, gang, so that wasn't bad. $44 for I think I got 12 packs of meat for $44. But yeah, I got to move around. That was at Thrifty. So let me go find Jovi's Food Town, somebody, and hope they got a sale. So stay tuned. Alright, gang, so I done made it to Jovi's, and this parking lot is full, honey. I hope they got something in here, cause I don't know why all these people shopping today after Christmas, but hey, let's see what they got. Alright, the canned goods 3 for $1. So y'all know I'm finna get a case of them, so stay tuned. Got some rice, $3.97. Of course, we gonna try it. y'all, it's hot. Then I just had to bag up all that grocery. But I got a lot of stuff out of Joe V's Smart Shop. I'm gonna show y'all when I in the vlog. I couldn't really play the music, so I mean record, because they was playing music in there. But yeah, I spent $377 in there. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright gang, so your girl tired at the bagging that food, but I'm in food, finna go in Food Town, and hopefully they got a sale on some meat. Wasn't too much sales on no meat. Yeah, we got to find some meat, so stay tuned. Let's see what they got. Alright y'all, alright gang, Mama Jones got this car, this van loaded down from front to back. I still got to find some oxtails, some brownie, and this is a $900 haul, y'all. So I know when I go to the next store, it's gonna end up being over 1,000. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright gang, so I left home about 3 I think. I don't know if I told y'all or not, but I'm just not making it home at like 7:40. So we got green beans. This is $1,000 haul, y'all. I would go through it, but Mama Jones is tired, y'all. Cause some of this I had to bag myself. So yeah, we will be cooking again. Alright, so we will be cooking. I'll tell y'all a little some of the stuff that I got, because when I tell you I'm dog tired. But we got chitlins, we got oxtails, we got hog maw, we got tripe, chicken feet, beef ribs, pork chops, chicken, what else? Pan sausage, eggs. We got the whole works, you guys. Yeah. So basically cooking all. Crawfish tails, shrimp. So yeah, y'all know it's finna go down in Mama Jones' kitchen. Y'all just stay tuned with your girl, cause that new year coming in, and we finna bust it wide open with this cooking. Oh, y'all, we got greens, broccoli, cauliflower. I bought little packs of different, like rice and different stuff to try. So yeah, y'all give this video a thumbs up, like. Oh, and I bought some kidneys, y'all. I found some kidneys. I ain't had no kidneys in a minute. We gonna cook that too. But y'all give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe on gang.
Head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang, head ass gang. On that head ass gang. Peanut butter head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head